All right, good morning, cyber traders. Good to see you all. Hopefully everyone's having an exciting Wednesday. Looks like we're getting a little up in the market. Inflation's slowing down just a little bit. Market's taking a positive look at 180 points, but that's not the big news. The big news is, did you see RXRX? What a nice runner. Look at this pharmaceutical stock, $6. If you came in a little bit late here at Cyber Trade University, you didn't get in here, at your typical, 8 o'clock in the morning, even program trading where it kicked in at 8:30, $6 stock up to 17. Just going to bring up level 4 here so you can see what's going on. Nice move. Big orders. You can see how they just ran it up here. Bid. Still get a couple of orders here. Not seeing too much, but it's channeling right now between 19 and 14. So looks pretty good right there. Looks really nice. A lot of stocks I got on this watch list. We're going to go through that list. We're going to see what we got going on. And you know what? Hopefully it's going to be another successful day. Listen, every day is a new day. Every day we always ask you in the trading room, how did you do today? Did you make money? Did you, how did things work out? Yesterday it looks like everyone did well. Let's talk about those stocks, but don't worry about it. It's a new day and we got a whole bunch of new ones. But let's just talk about what happened as of yesterday, because really some exciting news that happened yesterday. We had this one stock right here, ELOX. Look how beautiful this stock was. This thing ran right around 10 o'clock, right around 10:30. It had a really nice little push right here. A little Fausto flag was building right there. And then sure enough, you could see how it just literally just popped and went all the way from $5 to $9.50. And then I don't know what the hell happened after hours, but somebody ran in there and jumped into this stock right around 15 minutes after, ran from $7 up to $12. Really nice stock. Pretty stock, did really well. SOS, another one that did really well. SOS is going back on the watch list, by the way. So I'm going to put this one back on, SOS. And the reason why is you could see had some really good movement here in, as of today. It's up at 9%, 70 cents, 700,000 shares. But what was nice about this one was in pre-market, you could see right here at 9:30, right there, boom, $6 all the way up, not even flinched, back up to $9. Really nice stock. Think about that for a second. If you only got less than half of that move, how well you've done today. All right, coin doing really well. You could see coin went from 80 up to 92. Coin's been doing well from $50. It's got this really big support levels at 50. Never really want to break it. I know it was back at the beginning of the year, dropped down to 30, but from February on, had a really tough time breaking through that 50 right there. Stock's about 40 points. It was not only a really good day trade yesterday, but it's been on a swing trade. What was nice about this stock yesterday was this, and for a lot of you that are in the trading room, you know this because we were talking about this right around 9:30, where you saw that little, what we call that little shake right there. It was hovering at these prices right around the lows around 82 and resistance levels at 83. If you notice it was building a Fausto flag. And then right after 10 o'clock, the thing just took off. Then it built another Fausto flag right here. And then it built another Fausto flag. And then it started making higher highs. So listen, the thing is not to talk about and all about the successful trades out there, but the key of reason why we're also here is because we want to see why they went up and down the way they did, because it's also very educational. Carvana, the thing just speaks for itself. It's so funny. Yesterday I was driving around and first time I've seen a Carvana truck. I never seen one on the road. I saw the stores, where they showcase the cars, but I never seen one of the trucks out there. Funny looking truck out there. So listen, they're doing great. The stock got crushed. A lot of you remember this stock. If you joined us for the first time, stock was $350 stock. Look at this thing. This thing got so crushed. But you know what? It's been a great swing trade. Day trading, a little bit more tougher to trade. This stock, very inexpensive stock. You can see here, $1 to about $1.60. RDFN, another really nice stock right here yesterday. This one went from 12 up to about 15. And Affirm. Affirm is going back on the watch list. AFRM. Now remember, how do we find these stocks? To trade in today, sometimes they spill in from yesterday into today. And you saw that happen yesterday with a couple of stocks that we did find, just like Carvana and Mara and all those and Riot, and which built into coin. So Affirm is definitely on it. So let's go talk about what's moving this morning, because there are a lot of stocks out there. Now, we already know about this stock right here, this RXRX. Now, the concern I have with RXRX, which we all know, is that the spread. Remember the 3 T's: tradable, trend, and trap. When you have a stock with a big spread like that, this is going to, right away off the bat, we all know this. This stock is literally going to be a category 4, maybe even a 5. And what that means, it's very volatile, big spread, small tier sizes. So if you were one of the lucky ones that got in here early in the morning, you did well. But other than that, be very, very careful of the stock. I would be really concerned about what trading it. But there are other stocks out there. HTCT, CI. Look at this one. Great move in pre-market. Let me go check over here on level 4 up here up on top. So we got right here. We had a couple of sellers started getting executed right here. I'll show it to you on the big screen. So you can see right here, we had some big sellers starting to get executed right here. Not really a good sign. You scroll out, you got this big seller right here. Not a lot, only about 5,000. But you know what? She's moving, and she's going to be on the watch list because she's probably a category 3 too. I'd probably give it, looking at the spread right now in pre-market. And we only know it only gets more volatile when the market opens up. Another one that's number 3 on the list, but it's trending down. I might take this off. It's up 62%. Maybe they ran it up a little too high. Let me go check here on level 4. I know I had this stock. Yeah, there was a couple orders that showed up right here. Big orders too. Wow, 100,000. Look at this. Let me show you guys. See that right there? Those little red orders, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. Yeah, that's not a good sign. That one's off limits. Looks like they're starting to push it down. LMNL flat. It's up about 32%. Almost looks like a buyout right here. AVRO. Now, this one doesn't look terrible. It's starting to trend up. It's very inexpensive. Good spread. Looks like a category 1. Up 34%. Definitely. Excuse me. Thank you, everyone. So AVRO definitely going on the watch list right here. I had that one. Did I have this one here? Yeah, I had this one too. Cheap little stock, inexpensive. Not really seeing too many orders out there when I'm looking at that on top. Not that many orders out there, right around that $1.60. Looks like, as you can see it here, it's having a tough time breaking it. So you can see those orders out there. But, 23%, 2 million shares. Sometimes, these things move. I mean, we saw that happen yesterday with a couple of stocks that we found. Any new ones that popped up here too? That's what I had on level 4 that I found before I started. LPSN, that one I had on here. So the LPSN, okay, so an iceberg order just showed up right now at 525, it looks like. Big, big red order showed up. So that one we'll put up. You can see it right there. It's kind of holding at these prices right here. But it just showed up about 3-4 minutes ago. So that's not a good sign. Probably going to trend it down. So it is up 21%. Hood. Is Hood moving again? Yeah, so Hood's been on a really, really good move. It's been on a really good swing trade. It's now becoming a very good day trade. I'm putting Hood back on the watch list, okay? So Hood looks pretty good. Let me just bring this up from yesterday. You can see it right here when it made its big move right there. But look at that. Yeah, definitely good call there, Glenn. I like that Hood trade. Hood's in our, Glenn's in our cyber group room. KSCP from Brian. It's been a good swing trade, but not really a crazy day trade, Brian. So we always put it on our watch list. This is the biggest percentage gainer right now in the New York Stock Exchange, which is pretty rare. AU, let me look up on level 4. I didn't have this one up there. Just going to type it in there. I got to get the data going on. This one had a really nice run, $3 to $8. It's starting to trend down a little bit. It's up by 70%. Yeah, you got some orders showing up right here. Let me show you what we got going on. Got some orders right here. This guy just canceled at $5. He's been out there since 8:30. He goes, you're getting too close on my order. I'm not interested. I want out. So it looks like he's backing off. He had a change of heart. So, but it's got good volatility. I'll put it on the B list. Anything else on the New York Stock Exchange? HLLY, not really doing that much. SOS, we already know about that one. That was from yesterday. It's going back into today. This thing's up 300. This is a $300 stock. We're not interested. We're out of that business. All right, so I think I pretty much got them all. Anything I'm missing I did not call out? I think we have them all. Anyone else? Anyone on social media? Anyone else? Okay, so listen, I'm going to be on Wealth 360 Kava. Kava's been doing great. I got the swing trade on that Kava too. If Kava can get past the high on this one is the IPO price is at 47.89. That is going to look, fabulous. So I don't know if anyone was here with me when I got into it, but I got in right around. I bought it on this day right here. It was like 2 days ago. I got it. Oh no, I'm sorry. It was the day before I made this big spike. So I got in right around here. It's around 39. We got it. So we're looking pretty damn good. We're up about 10 points on that stock. And you know my story. I told about the whole story about Kava. I told you about yesterday, and I want to repeat it, but it looks pretty good. I like the Kava on a swing trade. It's not really a day trade though. Sophie, SOFI. Yeah, good call there, Kathleen. Definitely Sophie's really nice push. Sophie's got a good spread. Everything we're looking at, I'll put that on the top of the list. Okay. Sophie, you know what? The list is getting really big. The list is getting pretty big here. So we got a lot to choose from. Sometimes it gets a little messy when you got too many of them, but that one looks pretty good. All right. So listen, I have Wealth 365 event today at 10 o'clock. So all the traders in the room will be able to help you out. They're going to be there with you guys. So I'm going to be doing a presentation. A lot of you probably got that email. If you want to come and join us, you could be there. It'd be great. If not, if you feel like you want to trade, but it's always nice to come to these events. We'll have another one tomorrow here at Cyber Trade University. So if you're listening, you can always just click on that QR code and always join us right there on that QR code, right there in the top left-hand corner. If you're watching on social media right there. All right. But in the meantime, good luck today. Happy trading, everyone. Don't get too crazy. Don't be upset what happened yesterday, day before. Every day is always a new venture here at Cyber Trade University. So we'll always find new stocks out there. Just listen, the tip of the day is this. If you don't go into a trade and you see everyone else trading, just buy one stinking share of the stock. Just one share. That's all you have to do. Buy one share. And, because demo is not going to work out for you. Okay. So don't be afraid. The worst thing that could happen to you is you lose money and you're going to lose pennies on a small amount of share, but you got to be in the game. Get off demo and start trading live. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading, and we'll see you back. We'll see you when the market opens up.